Hello everyone, I am Professor Nilesh Lumbure. In the previous session, we learned the role and importance of marketing research. Today we learn the role of information in marketing research and its limitations of marketing research. Effective marketing starts with a strong knowledge of your customers, the kind of knowledge that gives you unique insight into what they want and how to satisfy them better than the competition. The most reliable source of fresh customer insight is good marketing information. Useful marketing information may come from a variety of sources, both inside and outside your organization. Marketing information is generated by a variety of different activities, including marketing research. Marketing research is a systematic process for identifying marketing opportunities and solving marketing problems using customer insight that come out of collection or collecting and analyzing marketing information. The mechanics of a marketing research must be controlled so that marketers uncover the relevant facts to answer the problem at hand. Controls over this fact-finding process is the responsibility of marketing research director, who must correctly design the research and carefully supervise its execution to ensure its yield the customer insight the organization needs. The marketing information system is combination of people, technologies, and process of for managing marketing information, overseeing market research activities, and using customer insight to guide marketing decision and border management and strategy decision. Here we see that the role of marketing research, marketing role of information in marketing research, that is the relevant, available, accurate, current, and adequate. Here we explain the role of marketing research one by one. The first role is the relevant. This is the most important characteristic. It means that the information has relevancy to the subject of inquiry. Second one is the available. When a decision is being made, information must be available. Third one is the accurate. The information which is going to be used for decision making must be accurate. Obviously, the use of wrong information will be lead a wrong decision. Next one is the current. Information must be current. This implies that it is not an absolute one and is applicable to the time period of the study. Next one is, last one is the adequate. The in marketing, in addition to the forging four characteristics, information must be adequate. Scanty or piecemeal information will not serve the purpose. It may be mentioned that the available information may not have all the characteristics. So when we can use the marketing information in research. So here we discuss when we can use the marketing information in the current situation or current research. So many marketing decisions are made without consulting marketing information or the use of formal marketing research. For example, a decision maker may feel she already knows enough to make a good decision. The time required to investigate a question or conduct formal marketing research may not be available. In other cases, the cost of obtaining the data is prohibitive, or the desired data cannot be obtained in reliable form. In a few instances, there may be no chance or there may be no choice among alternatives, and therefore no decision to make, because there is a little value in spending time and money to study a problem. If there is only one possible solution, but in most business solutions, marketers and managers must choose among two or more course of action. This is where fact finding, marketing information, and researcher enter to help make the choice. So marketing information and research address the need for quicker yet more accurate decision making by the researcher or marketer. These tools put marketers' choice or close to their customers to help them understand who the customers are, what they want, and what competitors are doing. When different stakeholders have very different views about a particular marketing related decisions, about or objective information and research can inform everyone about the issues in question and help the organization come to agreement about the path forward. Good research should help align marketing with other areas of the business. Marketing or marketer should always be tapping into regular sources of marketing information about their organization and industry in order to monitor what's happening generally. For example, at any given time, marketers should understand how they are doing relative to sales goals and monitor development in their industry or competitive set. Beyond this general level of tuning in, additional market research projects may also be justified. As a rule, if the research results can save the company more time, money, and or risk than it costs to conduct the research, it is wise to protocol. If the cost of conducting the research is more than it will contribute to improving a decision, the research should not be carried out. In practice, applying this cost-test principle can be somewhat complex, but it provides useful guidance about when marketing research is worthwhile. Ultimately, successful marketing executives make decisions on the basis of a blend of facts and intuition. Effective marketing requires market research, so you can find out about people's want and needs, develop products, and select your target uh, market. To maximize the research value, researchers need to be aware of market research limitations and ensure the conduct or ensure they how they conduct research carefully. So the diagram below lists the limitations of marketing research. It is the limited use, there is a superficial understanding gap, marketing research is not a science, misuse of marketing research, lack of clear viewpoint, delayed decision, tool for grabbing power. These are the some parameters or these are the some functions of the limitations of this marketing. Here we discuss one by one limitations of the marketing research. One is the first one is the limited use. Many times marketing research tend to be fragmentary in a approach, as a result of which it becomes difficult to have an overall perspective in which at marketing problem is to be viewed and studied. Next one is the superficial. That is the superficial is the marketing research is criticized on the ground that it becomes too superficial and the faulty in industry. While while the principles of marketing research are good and based on scientific lines in industry, marketing research is very often used by those who have had no formal training in the subject. Next one is the understanding gap. There is an absence of meaningful dialogue between the marketing management and the marketing research team. With the research, marketing researchers get divorced from the main stream of marketing. Next one is the marketing research is not a science. Marketing research is not an exact science. There are several uncertainties which come in the way of getting accurate results. It uses the technique of science, thus the results and conclusions drawn upon by using marketing research is not very accurate, because marketing research we are using the statistic, and statistics shows the approximation, not an accuracy. So all our results are shows the approximation. Next one is the misuse of marketing research is also associated with the down phase. Apart from these limitations of marketing research, one finds that it is sometimes misused. These misapplications, strictly speaking, are not the limitations of the subject as such. Next one is the lack of clear viewpoint. A measure of marketing research is found when one user of it supports on substantial his viewpoint or position. In such a case, objectivity, which is soul of research, is non-existent. Next one is the delayed decision. Another misuse of marketing research is found deliberately delaying decision making in the hands of vested interest It may be used to avoid taking a certain decision or delaying it until the finding of marketing research are available. And last one is as a tool for grabbing power. Finally, it is used to grab a power and authority in an organization. Executives who are ambitious may use marketing research to consolidate and strengthen their position in the organization, as also to extend their authority over their colleagues. In next lecture, we discuss the marketing research process. In the marketing research process, how to formulate the research problems, how to determine the research design, how to design the data collection strategies, and how we can design the sample and collect the data by using the different statistical tools and techniques. Also, how we can analyze and interpret the data and prepare the research paper. Next, this will be learned in the next research. Thank you for listening.